Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing some essential tips for hygienic mascara application. While most mascara ingredients are safe for use, some people may experience allergic reactions or other adverse effects. Common allergens found in mascara include fragrances, certain preservatives, and color additives. Additionally, some ingredients may cause irritation or dryness to the eyes. So make sure to read the ingredient label carefully, opt for hypoallergenic options if you need to, and do a patch test. The reason I follow these steps in applying mascara is the recurring eye styes I have from time to time. So I thought following these hygienic routine will minimize having eye styes again. First, avoid the wand. Skip the wand that comes with your mascara. Instead, use disposable spoolies or eyelash brushes for a cleaner application. Use different brush for each eye to prevent germs from spreading. Dip your spoolie once and use a clean one for additional coats. This helps minimize the transfer of bacteria between your eyes. I use UZZA Cosmetic Expiration Date Journal to track my beauty product expiration date. Old mascara can harbor bacteria because preservative efficacy deteriorates over time. Replace your mascara every 3 months or sooner if you notice any changes in texture or smell. Needless to say, wash your face and lashes daily with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup residue. If mascara gets in your eye, gently blink and rinse with water, and don't rub your eye. Remember, a little extra effort can go a long way in maintaining healthy lashes and preventing eye irritation or infections. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.